In the era of technology, everything is designed to move faster. Appointments are booked just with a tap. But despite all this progress, there is one man who has been staring at his phone for nearly half an hour, unable to move forward. His name is called John. He is a retired librarian, a man who spent 4 decades helping people find knowledge in a sea of books. He is sharp, curious, and he has always been independent. But lately, John has been feeling a new kind of isolation. He has a persistent, throbbing pain in his hip and his local clinic, where the place he has visited for 30 years has just moved entirely to a digital booking system. John opens the app on his phone. What does he see? To our eyes, it's a modern interface. To John's eyes, it's a digital fog. The text is tiny, what calls ants crawling across glass. There are pop-ups that he doesn't understand, and buttons that lead to digital dead ends. John isn't get confused. He is experiencing a profound sense of loss, a loss of his agency and his dignity. He is afraid that if he clicks the wrong things, he'll break the system or lose his appointment entirely. This is the hidden crisis of the digital age. In our rush to be efficient, we have accidentally built walls around our most essential service, healthcare.
Good morning everyone, my name is Junyuan. After watching this video, do you still believe this could never happen to you or me? As technology keeps advancing, as systems become more efficient, are we truly certain we will always be able to keep up? If we choose not to change today, will we become trapped into the digital fog tomorrow? Our team user research revealed a heartbreaking reality. For many elderly users, the very tools meant to help them are actually creating barriers. We found that elderly users with low digital literacy with current apps because they are designed for digital natives who navigate screens by instinct. Through our empathy findings, we identified the following pain points. Booking errors. Complex menus led to frequent mistakes, causing users to miss vital care. And the next, anxiety and fear. Users feel punished by the system when they make an error. And the last is reduced access. When the process is too hard, many simply give up on seeking medical help, which is a fundamental human right. The root of the problem isn't the user's lack of skill, it is the app lack of empathy. We realize we need to bridge the gap between high-tech efficiency and human-centered care. How did we bridge the gap? We apply three intensive principles to reimagine the user interface. First, we apply Principle 17, another dimension. Most apps use a vertical, multi-layer menu system, a maze where you have to go deep to find anything. We flatten the dimension. We turn the booking process into a linear, step-by-step journey. In Easy Help, you are never asked to make 5 choices at once. You are asked one simple question at one time. Which clinic? Click. Which state? Click. Confirm. Click. Next, we use Principle 15, Dynamicity, by adding voice guide assistance. As Julian Treasure says, the human voice is the instrument we all play. It provides reassuring confirmation at every stage, telling the user, you are doing great, you are on the right path right now. Build the app which called Easy Help. This prototype focuses on 3 core pillars: clarity, reassurance, and confidence. Large button and clear text that replace the ends on class. Minimal navigation points that ensure the path remains clear. Visual cues that when you complete a booking, you doesn't just get a small notification. You will get a massive green check mark and a clear message, appointment confirmed. When we test this with users like John, the transformation was incredible. One tester told us it finally feels like the phone is helping me, not fighting with me. We learned that by slowing down the pace and adding sensory feedback, we didn't just fix a booking system, we restore a human being agency and resilience. Why does this matter right now? This isn't just about one app or one team project. No, this is about inclusive digital healthcare. As our global population age, the digital form will only get thicker unless we act. EC Health aligns with ESG principle and sustainable development goals by ensuring that technology reduces inequality rather than creating new digital devices. So, we are just pitching an app. We are pitching a philosophy of universal design. The belief that if you design for the most vulnerable, you actually make life better for everyone. Let me ask you back again. What are we going to do? Because awareness alone is not enough. Feeling emotional for the moment is also not enough. If we continue designing only for speed, only for efficiency, then we are suddenly deciding who gets left behind. If you are a developer, design with empathy. Don't just ask whether the code works or not. Ask whether the human being on the other side feels safe using it. Don't measure success only in downloads and performance. Measure it in reduced frustration, reduced anxiety, and increased confidence. If you are a designer, step outside of your comfort zone. Test your products not only on the digital native who spike efficientness and navigate intuitively. If you are a student like us, start asking a better question. Challenge the assumption that if something is intuitive to you, it must be intuitive to everyone. The future of innovation belongs to those who dare to design with compassion. Before launching any application, pause and ask yourself, can a 75 years old using this without fear? Can someone with weak eyesight read this without strain? Can someone anxious navigate this without feeling punished? Can someone unfamiliar with technology complete this process without needing to call their grandchild to help? Whether we realize it or not, we will become the one who will accidentally click a wrong button. We may become the ones who is standing outside the digital door, waiting to be let in. Go back to John. With easy help, the fog has lifted. He isn't afraid anymore. He has booked his appointment. He has set his reminder and he is attending his checkups with confidence. Our big ideas is simple. Innovation should never come at the cost of inclusion. Let's commit to building a future where no one is left behind in the midst. Because healthcare is a right, and technology should be the bridge, not the barrier. Forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share and comment below. We will see you next video. Bye bye.